Today we will learn that how to remove an element from a Python set. So at first I will declare a set here. Set1 is equal to, now I will add some elements. Okay, suppose I want to delete this 4 from here. So to do that I just need to write my set name, which is set1 dot remove and the element I want to delete, that is 4. After that I will print my modified set. Now I will hit the run button and you can see that the 4 is gone from the set. We also can use the discard method. To do that I will just delete the remove and add here discard. Now if I run the code, this is the same output you can see. Okay, now let's try this with another element, suppose 1. Now if I run the code, we can see that the 2 is not present in the modified set1. Okay, now the difference between the remove and discard is, when I use the remove method, if the item to remove does not exist, remove will raise an error. But when I am using the discard method, that will not raise an error. Now let's see this with an example. Suppose I am using the remove method and I want to delete the 5. Now we can see that the 5 is present in my set. Now if I run the code, the operation is successful. But here suppose I write an element that is not present in my set. Suppose I write 10. So if I run the code, this is showing an error. But if I do this using the discard method, this will show no error, as you can see here. Okay, now we will delete element. Now we will see an example of deleting element using the pop method. Pop method always removes the last item, but in set the items are unordered, so we don't know that which item will be deleted. So let's see that using an example. So to do that I will write set1 dot pop. Okay, now I want to store the deleted element in a variable, so I am declaring a variable x in which the deleted element will be stored. Now I will print the value of x, because of which we will be able to identify that which element is deleted. Now I will print my modified set, which is set1. Now if I hit the run button, we can see that the pop method has deleted the element 1 and the rest of the elements are here in my set1. Okay, so that's how the pop method works. Now if I want to delete the whole set, to do that I need to write the name of my set, which is set1 dot clear. Now if I try to print my set, we can see that all the elements are deleted and an empty set is printed here. So that's how we can remove the set items in Python. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.